today we are going to try out this palette right here. I did get this in my Ice Cream Beauty box. I don't remember what month, but there it is, and this is the look we created, a nice sheer beautiful duochrome look. So if you'd like to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. Just a disclaimer here, the sun keeps going in and out behind clouds, so if you notice my shadow and stuff changing a little bit, that is why. I apologize, but I'm going to record anyway, and we are going to start out with priming the face, and that is going to be the Dr. Brandt Blacklight Primer. This is a base luminaire. Okay, so we're moving on to foundation, and I am going to use something you don't really see me use a lot of. This is AOA. I got this off of Shop Miss A. If I didn't already post a video, I will be soon. I tried out 3 different foundations off that site as requested. So this is what I'm going to use today. Alright, because of the direction I am going with this look today, I am going to use a setting powder. Beforehand, I am using kimchi. This is setting and baking, but I don't bake, so I do that. I usually just take the powder and put it on a brush, but this one does come with a puff. I don't use a puff, I just use powder, so okay, so for eyebrows, I'm going to use 2 different products. I'm going to use this pencil here. This is from Luscious Brow Definer. So you're going to see me use that first. And then I'm going to go back over the brows with Refi, I don't know. But those are the 2 products I am using for my eyebrows. Alright, so we're moving on to eye primer. I'm using an eye primer I haven't used before, so I really don't know if it's good or not. I did get it in one of my boxes. I don't know which one, I don't remember. But anyways, this is what we are using. This is YC Collection. Yeah, but that is what we're using. So the palette we are using today is this right here. It's full of shiny, I guess a little bit duochrome-ish colors, and it matches the outfit. That's why I picked it. I know that's not really special, but it's special to me. So anyways, I usually use like a matte color underneath colors like that because they don't normally wear well. Since I'm sticking strictly to that palette, I am going to use some more setting powder on my eyes and kind of use that as a base. so that is done. We are moving to the eyelids themselves. I think I'm going to use, oh, I don't know. I think I'm going to use this color right here. No, I think I'm going to use this one. I'm going to go with this one right here, and that's going to be the inner corner of the eye. Okay, so this is really interesting because when I was looking at it in the palette, it looks like a pink. On my eyes, it is looking more green. So, yeah, I don't really have any other feelings about it. I just think that's interesting. So yeah, definitely DuoChrome. We're gonna go in with this color now. Turning into a very beautiful sheer look. I had no idea it was going to go that direction, but it's pretty. For the outer corners, we are going in with this darker color right here. That is the color. I actually really like that. I don't know what I was expecting, but I don't think I was expecting that. Anyways, we're going to take this other sheer color right here, and we're going to go under the eyes with that. Okay, so with this being a sheer look, I don't think I'm going to go heavy with the eyeliner. I am going to use this matte color here. I think it's Commitment Issues. I think that's the name of it. It's this lavender color. I'm going to put that in the waterline. I'm not sure if I'm going to use any top liner yet. I'm going to try this first and then decide. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to use any top liner. I kind of like the way it looks just like that, a very sheer soft look. I am going to go into some mascara now. I am going to use Well People right here. This is, it's not showing up. But anyways, this is Expressionist, and this is a black. Okay, so we're moving on to blush. I'm not going to contour. I really like the light look here, so we're going to keep the look light and relatively natural with a shimmery, not so natural color. But anyways, for our blush, we are using Kimchi again. This is Pink Rose because I feel like that is appropriate for this look. This is what it looks like. It's kind of One's pink, one's rose. See if you see. So I'm gonna kind of blend them together and put them on. Okay, so that is way pinker than I was anticipating, so I'm going to get some setting powder and soften it. Okay, so I think that's better. I like the soft bright pink. We are going to use some Limelight highlighter. This is the Unicorn palette. I have no idea even if they make it anymore, but those are the colors. I can't tell you which ones I'm going to use. I'm probably going to stick with these two. I think that might be too much, so I'm going to stick with those two and use that. I actually really like this. I'm happy with it so far. Let's go ahead and set it. This is Cobb Cosmetics Hydrating Setting Spray. And for lip color, I think I'm gonna go with this. This kind of looks like it's gonna be dark, but it's not. It comes out kind of almost more of this other color here once it's on. This is, I wore the name off of it. I believe it's Katari, or not Katari, but I don't know. But anyways, it's really pretty gloss, so let's go with it. Alright, so this is the finished look. Let me know your thoughts down below. If you try a sheer look like this, what do you think of this palette?